In this video, I'm gonna attempt to can this chicken. This is actually my first time canning any type of meat. We'll cut them up into little pieces. Alright, well, I got the jars washed. Now I'm gonna get started on dropping these guys in. I'm doing a cold pack. I'm gonna just rinse this off. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I didn't wipe the top. So I'm gonna go backwards and actually wipe the top on this. We're topped off. Screw it on. Feel good about this. Well, hopefully nothing blows up, busts, or anything. Let's hopefully we don't get this EEE code. It's the jiggling. Nice. All right. Cool. Okay. All right. Got her opened up. Cracked it. Let it set for a little bit. Wasn't too sure if that pressure would blow up as I was picking it up. And that's Nelly. You saw Jax earlier.